In the world of healthcare, medical professionals often communicate using specialized terminology that can be confusing and intimidating for the average person. From complex anatomical terms to unfamiliar diagnostic procedures, navigating medical jargon can help decipher a foreign language. However, understanding these terms is essential for informed decision-making and effective communication with healthcare providers. In this video, we aim to demystify medical terminology and provide a comprehensive guide for the layman. Breaking down the basics. Before delving into the intricacies of medical terminology, let's start with some foundational concepts. Root words, prefixes, and suffixes. Many medical terms are derived from Latin or Greek roots, prefixes, and suffixes. Understanding the meanings of these components can help decipher unfamiliar terms. For example, cardio refers to the heart, neuro pertains to the nervous system, and itis denotes inflammation. Anatomy and physiology. Familiarizing yourself with the structure and function of the human body is key to understanding medical terminology. Learn the names of major organs, body systems, and anatomical structures to grasp medical discussions and diagnoses better. Common medical conditions. Educate yourself about prevalent medical conditions and their associated terminology. This includes terms related to diseases, symptoms, diagnostic tests, and treatments. Navigating medical terminology. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore strategies for deciphering complex medical terminology. Consult online resources. Numerous online resources provide glossaries and dictionaries of medical terminology tailored for lay audiences. Websites such as WebMD, Mayo Clinic, and Medline Plus offer comprehensive databases with user-friendly explanations of medical terms. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask your healthcare provider or medical professionals to explain unfamiliar terms during appointments. They are trained to communicate complex concepts in a way that patients can understand and appreciate your curiosity and engagement in your healthcare. Break it down. When encountering a complex term, break it down into its constituent parts. Identify the root word, prefixes, and suffixes to infer its meaning. For example, hypertension can be broken down into hyper, excessive, and tension, pressure, indicating high blood pressure. Context clues. Pay attention to the context in which medical terms are used. The surrounding information may provide clues to the term's meaning. For example, if a doctor mentions MRI when diagnosing a knee injury, you can infer that it refers to a magnetic resonance imaging scan. Utilize mnemonics and analogies. Mnemonics and analogies can aid in remembering complex medical terms. Associating unfamiliar terms with familiar concepts or creating memorable phrases can help reinforce understanding and retention. While medical terminology may seem daunting, the layman can gain proficiency in understanding and interpreting these complex terms. By mastering basic principles, utilizing resources, and actively engaging with healthcare professionals, you can navigate the intricacies of medical language with confidence and clarity. Remember, knowledge is power, and by arming yourself with understanding, you become an active participant in your healthcare journey.